The craft. Officially called the Croftingea Works, locals soon abbreviated this to the Croft or the Craft. Opened in 1790 by William Stirling and Sons of Dilhurn and Cordle, it was the first site to make the turkey red dyeing process a commercial success. This opened up markets in India, Africa and Europe, and the site was expanded by John Orr Ewing, who built a multi-process textile operation around the old craft. This included a 300-foot chimney stack. In 1860, Croftingea merged with the nearby Leven works to become the Alexandria works. 1,000 people were employed at this point, and in 1897 the factory took on the Charleston engraving works and became the UTR, the United Turkey Red. So walking down India Street here in Alexandria, you can see the remains of the craft factory behind me. And if you turn left here, you can see the actual craft gates, which look a bit like coal ditch just now, the way the security's done. But I wonder how many people came through these gates to work every day. Certainly the Vale of Leven wouldn't be the same without this factory and the turkey red industry. The operation ran till 1960, when the factory was taken over and eventually shut down. Many of the buildings still stand to this day, although the windows, outlined in lighter brick, have long since been blocked off. The Vale of Leven would not have evolved the way it did without the craft, or the many workers who walked through its once famous gates.